You are not broke. You just do not say no. How many apps charge you every month right now? Do you even know the exact number? When did you last check your bank statement? What about that free trial you forgot to cancel? How many things are you paying for twice? Here is what gets me. The average person loses around $1,900 a year. $1,900 on stuff they forgot they signed up for. That is not bad luck. That is not being poor. That is just not paying attention. And nobody taught us how to track this stuff. Life Admin changes everything. It is a free app for your phone. You add every bill in one place. You add every subscription you pay for. It reminds you before anything renews. You see exactly where your money goes each month. Nothing slips through the cracks anymore. No more paper budgets that get lost. No more notes app lists you never check. No more surprise charges hitting your account. It is always in your pocket. You finally feel in control of your money. That weight just lifts off your shoulders. Make sure to subscribe now. Drop a like if this helped. Comment what you overpay for. The app is free and it takes 2 minutes. Link is right below this video. Go download it and start tracking everything today. To do it.